Good day, my year 7 students. Glad to have you on board again on another review lesson. I remain your ICT teacher, Mr. Paul Obandire. Recall last time we had a lesson review. Our topic was on electronic spreadsheets. We have looked at the following objectives, review of these objectives. One, stating the purpose and uses of electronic spreadsheets. We've also reviewed the different parts of the typical spreadsheet software or spreadsheet application. Today, we shall be reviewing the same topic, but our objective will be to review how to create a simple spreadsheet model. Right, you ready? Okay then, let's get started. Okay. If you look at the spreadsheet you have here, it has two values. Okay. In cell A5, you have the value 5. Sorry, in cell A3, you have the value 5. And in cell B6, you have B3, you have the value 6. Remember, we talked about values last lesson review. We also talked about labels. Today, we will see how we can create a simple spreadsheet model, including formulas. Formulas are actually the brain behind spreadsheet models. Models requires data input and of course formula, and the result is expected to be generated from the processing. Let's look at the case we have here. We are going to be adding two numbers in the cells. Numbers are cell A3, once again, is 5. Cell B3, we have the number 6. Every formula starts with what sign? The equal sign. Okay? So anytime you want to create a formula in a spreadsheet file, you must first type in the equal sign to indicate that what you are creating is a formula. Okay. So in cell B3 and C3, we have our sign equals, followed by in the first cell reference, which is what? A3. That is because we want to add the content of cell A3, which is 5, to the content of cell B3, which is 6. Okay, the next step will be to type in your addition operator. It is a mathematical operator. Recall in our first lesson review, we talked about the terminology mathematical operator. As we progress in this lesson review, we will see what mathematical operators are and how they are used. Okay? So back to our formula. You have the second cell reference, which is cell B3. Right. This defines our formula. If we press the button enter, the result of that processing is what is displayed in cell C3, which is 11. Now, the interesting thing about spreadsheet models is that when we change the value of any of the inputs, the result is automatically recalculated. Automatic update. Unlike when you are carrying out such calculations using a calculator, you will have to enter the formulas again and then repeat the process. That is a different case here. So let's change the value we have in cell A3 to 10. What do you expect to be the result in cell C3? Did I hear you say 16? Exactly. This time around, I do not need to type the formula again. Spreadsheet will automatically recalculate using the new value in cell A3. So our new result should be what? 16. Good. Let's try to look at the operators this time around. We have used the plus sign, which is the addition symbol. We also have the symbol for subtraction, which is minus. I'm sure you're familiar with these symbols in your mathematics class. Okay. The new one is the star symbol for multiplication. And of course, you also have the front slash symbol for division. On the computer keyboard, you do not have that symbol for division as you have it in your math class. So computer processes uses front slash for division and star symbol for multiplication and not X. Okay, let's try out a few feats on formulas. Are you ready? Okay. So we're going to create the formula to add the two numbers in the spreadsheet and put the answer in cell C4. Okay. So the first thing we do once again is put the equal sign, then reference the two cells, and of course place the correct operator. In this case, we have the addition symbol. The next one, create this formula to add the two numbers in the spreadsheet and put the answers in cell G4. Here we have the numbers at different cell locations, but our result is expected to be in cell G4. So once again, you should have this formula. Equal to sign, referencing cell A2, the addition symbol, and of course referencing cell C3. Correct. Let's try this subtraction. Let's try subtraction. We create the formula to subtract the lower number in this spreadsheet from the higher number and put the number in cell A6. Right? So once again, we start with the equal to sign. Remember, it must be, the result must be in the cell that is specified. Okay? So we have the equal to sign. We place reference, cell reference of the bigger number, then take the subtraction symbol, and then you have the cell reference of the smaller number. Remember that when you place these cell references the other way around, you get a different result. You can try that yourself. Okay, welcome back. I think I had a little bit of disconnection a few minutes ago. Now we come back to spreadsheet modeling task. Okay, now we want to create a formula to calculate the numbers in the spreadsheet and put the numbers in cell D6 rows. What do? The first thing we do is put the formula, the symbol, the equal sign in cell D6 as we have it here, and then reference cell A3, and of course multiply that by cell C3. When you press the enter key, you should have the result, which is 230. The next one, we want to create the formula to divide the numbers in A1 by the numbers in B2. First, you put the answers, you put the equals, and of course the result should be in cell C3. You put the equal to sign in cell C3, reference cell A1 and divide that by cell A2. Okay, this time around, let's see how we can create a number to add all the create a formula to add all the numbers in the spreadsheet and put the result or the answer in cell 0. We should be having this. Okay? Good. Alright. This point we have come to the end of review lesson for today. I want to believe that we can now confidently uh, create our own spreadsheet model, as simple as can accept a simple input, process it using formulas, and then generating a result. Till I come your way next time, you have